We are drying some flat leaf parsley again for the A.H.P mixed herb seasoning, and basically we washed it and just chopped it, roughly chopped it, and we're just air drying it. Okay, so this also roughly takes 3 to 4 days to completely dry. If it's not yet dry after 4 days, then you keep it for another 2 days or so and check that it's completely dry so that your herbs doesn't get rotten. Otherwise, when it's spoiled because of not drying and being wet, it spoils the whole batch, and then you have to throw it away and start the process all over again. Okay, so in the process of drying it, you have to keep turning it the way I'm doing so that the wet places get to also dry and rough, and preferably it's better to keep them in foil, so because foil will not what's it called, make sure you use dry foil so it will not let it stick to whatever you're using to dry, whether it's a tray or a plate. We're using ceramic plates to dry all our seasoning herbs and vegetables, but we put foil on top of them so that it keeps the moisture away, because plates will produce moisture, especially when the place is warm. It'll produce moisture, and you don't want that because it makes it longer, it takes it longer to dry, and also it has a tendency of producing steam and making your vegetables or even your seasoning herbs rot. That's basically it. And once your seasoning is dry, you store them in an airtight jar and keep them in a cool place, and then you use it in your cooking. Okay, so basically with this flat leaf parsley, and now this is coriander, I'm just gonna mix it with another herb. Okay, and then store it nicely. Is this correct? No, this is the flat leaf parsley. Yeah.